My digestion improved so much, and I was having regular bowel movements for the first time in my life. My bloating went down. I didn't have any stomach pain after eating. I had more energy. My mood was better.
I felt great afterwards. My stomach felt flat. I kept trying it, and the same thing has happened every day since.
It's just a great way to fit it into your lifestyle and make sure you actually do it, right? The more barriers that you can remove to doing the healthy things, the more likely you are to do them.
It helps with inflammation, water retention, bloat, and really supports our natural detoxification pathways, in addition to exercising and eating well.
You'll see effects such as pooping better, sleeping better, cleansing better, meaning that you're gonna optimize all your elimination and flow pathways in your body. You're gonna bloat less. Many people report waking up with flatter bellies and feeling good in their bellies in the morning. And then finally, you're gonna stress less, which we can all use a little bit of that.
I could not recommend them enough, and all my clients would definitely agree.